Hey, the internet has a lot of tools developed by the community to ease our lives as front-end developers. So here is a list of my favorite go-to tools that have personally helped me with my work. And I'm Gaurav, and in this video I'm going to be showing you 6 must-use tools for front-end development. So here we go. The first tool is Enjoy CSS. To be honest, although I do a lot of front-end development, but I'm not that good with CSS, to be frank. This is a very simple tool which is actually a lifesaver in hard times. It lets you design your element with simple UI and gives you the relevant CSS output. So the next tool is Prettier Playground. Prettier is a code formatter which supports JavaScript, and it also includes ES 2017, JSX, Angular, Vue, or you can use TypeScript, Flow, and many more things. It removes your original styling and replace it with standard, consistent, like you can say here we have used 2 different type of languages here, and it removes your original styling. And this is a very handy tool actually, and also very popular in our IDEs. But it has also an online version, a playground, where you can prettify your code, which the name suggests, prettier. So let's move to our next site, which is the Postman. You can download it here, and I have already downloaded it. Let me check Postman. Here you can see that it is a very great application. Actually it's not an application, it's a tool that has been in my developer toolset since the beginning of my development career, and actually it has been very useful to check my endpoints in the back end. It has definitely earned its position on the list because you can enter the URL and simply use get, post, delete option, and many more things you can do here. You should definitely use this tool actually. So now let's close this. You can check there are 10 million developers who are using it, 5,000 companies, 5 lakh companies actually. Now the third tool is stackdev. It is actually a very great tool, a great UI actually it has on its side, and it is one of my favorite online IDE tool. The main reason why is that it brings on our favorite and most used IDE to the web, Visual Studio Code actually, and stackdev allow you to set up your Angular, React, Iconic, TypeScript, RxJS, Servlet, and many more things you can do here. You can start coding in less than 5 seconds because of this handy feature. Like you have to just click here and start typing your code. And let me just check. Okay, so you can also install the npm packages here, which is very hard work to do. Nice, right? And actually in less than a few seconds, you without creating a project locally from scratch, you can do right here on stackdev. Now comes the fourth one, or actually the fifth one. It's bit.dev. One basic principle of software development is code reusability, and this enables this bit.dev. Exactly, it allows you to share reusable codes, and you can share it with your friends, or it allows you for the components to be shared among teams, which lets your team collaborate with each other. Here you can see that many people have shared their code. As quoted by bit.dev, this component hub is also switchable to be used as a design system builder. And this is the fifth one. Now this is the online tool that can be very handy, as it allows you to find out whether feature you are implementing is compatible with your browser you are expecting to use. And I have had many experience where some of the functionalities used in my application were not supported on other browsers. I learned the hard way that you have to check for browser compatibility, that's it. And one instance was that a particular feature wasn't supported in my portfolio project on Safari device. I figured that our few months after development. To see this in action, let's check which browser supports the WebP format. So as you can see, Safari and IE are not currently supported. You can check here that Safari is not currently supported. Compare browsers. So that's it with this video. I have tried to fit the best tools I have had, and if you think there are any worthy additions, please do comment below.
संभालो हमको, कभी न जाए सहलाए, संभालो हमको, सभी से आगे जाए, हम ही हैं उनके प्यारे, सभी से आगे जाए। ठंडी हवा, हम ही तो है तुम्हारे खास, तभी तो है।